What is the young one's name of donkey?
Foal.
Foal it is. Foal. Should not forget, dear. You have to learn it, ma. You're asking your mother is fine, but still you have to learn it, right? Okay, donkey's baby name is Foal. Okay. Next, Prisha. What is the young one's name of duck? Duck baby name is what? Easiest one. Louder. Duckling. Duckling. Next is Session. What is the young one's name of horse, Session?
Colt.
Colt. Very good. Very good, Session. Next. Manusa, what is the young one's name of rabbit?
My favorite man.
Yes, your favorite is it. Then what is the baby name of rabbit?
Rabbit. சொல்லு rabbit ஓட baby name என்ன சொல்லு?
Think.
Kit.
Yes, it is Kit. Yes, it is Kit. Next, Haripriya. What is the young one's name of pig? Louder, baby, big.
Piglet.
Piglet. Very good. Next, Hitayshri. What is the young one's name of sheep?
Lamb.
Lamb. Very good. So again, what is the young one's name of goat? Who knows? What is the young one's name of goat?
Kid.
Kid. Very good. Goat. Kid. It is super. Next, what is the young one's name of buffalo?
Calf and calf.
Calf. Perfect. Perfect. So there are other 3 animals who has the same baby name. Who are they?
Cow.
Huh?
Giraffe.
Very good.
Elephant.
Super.
Elephant.
Buffalo, cow, giraffe, and elephant. All the 4 animals has same baby name. What is it? What is the baby name of all these 4 animals?
Calf.
Calf. Okay, children. What is it? What is the young one's name of pig? Pig baby name is what? Piglet. Piglet. Owl. Owl's baby name is what?
Owlet.
Owlet. Perfect. So we had learned 3 load lifting animals. No, what are they? Name it. 3 load lifting animals. Can you all remember?
Donkey.
Yes.
Yak.
Donkey, yak. One more is what?
Camel.
Camel. Camel. So where do the donkey lives? Grassland or icy area or in the desert place? Where do the donkey lives? Huh? Grassland. Perfect. The donkey lives in a grassland. How about the camel? Where does the camel lives? Desert. The camel lives in a desert. Very good. So where does the yak lives? Yak. Snowy region. Okay, snowy places. Cold places. The yak will live in the snowy places. Okay, yak. 3 load lifting animals. Okay. The next is wild animals. Right. So yes, lion's young one name is what? Sai Shivanya, what is the young one's name of lion?
Cub.
Cub. So Niduland, there is another animal who has the same baby name cub. What is the name of that animal? Niduland, Can you hear me? Unmute yourself, Nidulan. Nidulan. Nidulan, can you hear me, dear? Okay. So Nidulan, you wait. I'll go to other. Hitaishri. Hitaishri. See, there is another animal who has same baby name as cub. Which animal is that?
Cub.
Cub. Innor animal has the same baby name cub. Adi an animal lion ka cub. Innor animal ko baby name cub. Which animal is that?
It sounds so.
Tiger.
Tiger. It is tiger. 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 See, tiger baby name is also cub. Okay.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes.
Can you hear me now?
Yes. Now I can hear you. So yes, next will be Nidulan. Nidulan, what is the young one's name of elephant? Just before we learned, we had recorded. No? Very good. Calf. Srishant, what is the young one's name of giraffe?
Sound.
Calf. Perfect. Manasa, what is the young one's name of kangaroo?
Joy.
Joy. Very good. So others can also answer at your word. Okay. Next is yes. Pranav, what is the young one's name of deer?
Wow.
Fawn. Fawn. Very good. Try answering by yourself, dear. If not, if you cannot answer, I will help you. Okay. Next. Prisha, what is the young one's name of owl, dear? Owl, baby. Very good. Owlet. Jacinta, what is the young one's name of frog?
Frog young one name என்ன படிச்சோம்ல குட்டியா
சொல்லுங்க அந்த 4 சைக்கிள்ஸ்ல எது வேணா சொல்லலாம் நோ ப்ராப்ளம்
இது படிச்சோம்ல எக் அதுக்கு அப்புறம் நான் படிச்சோமே அது என்னது சொல்லு அங்க சொல்லு மேம் பார்த்து சொல்லு
கரெக்ட் தப்பு இல்ல நான் ஒண்ணும் பிரச்சனை இல்ல சொல்லுங்க ஓகே even if you say wrongly
நீ என்ன சொல்றியோ
correct it
சொல்லு சத்தமா சொல்லு
froglet is the third stage, right? Before froglet, what is the second stage of it? Only tail will be there now. What is that name of that stage? Only tail will be there now.
frog அதுக்கு முன்னாடி frog
Yes, very good, Manasa. Jacinta baby, it's tadpole. Okay? Tadpole. Okay? Tadpole. Next, Haripriya.
Yeah.
What is the young one's name of monkey, dear? Monkey baby name is what?
Gorilla.
She's telling gorilla.
What did you say? Gorilla is a family of monkeys, not a baby, dear. No, listen, dear, listen. Monkey baby name is infant. Infant. Come on, repeat the word infant. Infant. Okay? Yes, it is infant. Next. What is the baby name of butterfly? Who knows?
Butterfly is a baby na.
Caterpillar. Caterpillar. Children, have you noticed something? Among all these... Yes, wait. Listen. Have you noticed something, children? Among all these animals, the frog and the butterfly has differently look-alike children. Their children are not similarly looking like their parent. Tadpole is looking different, and butterfly's caterpillar is completely looking different. Is caterpillar looking like the mother butterfly? Children, is the caterpillar looking like a mother butterfly? Yes or no?
No.
No, it's not looking like a butterfly. So when at its young age, the caterpillar will be like different completely. After it grows up, it will turn as a butterfly. There will not be any traces of appearance to the mom and the baby. Okay, butterfly and the frog has this extra thing. The children, one more thing, have to recap. Life cycle of a frog. 1 second. Can you all remember, dears? What is the first stage of frog, ma?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. What is the first stage of frog, children?
Egg.
First stage is what?
What's the stage in it?
Egg.
Egg.
Yes.
Eggs.
Egg.
Excuse me. Eggs are the first stage. Mama frog lays eggs. That is the first stage. What is the second stage? The frog which has only tail. Tadpole. Very good. The second stage is tadpole.
Hands.
What is the third stage after tadpole? It will turn like what? What is the name of the third stage? Froglet. Froglet. So the froglet will be having hands, legs, and also the tail. Okay, that is froglet. What is the fourth stage? What is the last stage, children? Mama frog or adult frog. Mama frog, that is adult frog. Okay, mama frog, that is adult frog. Once the egg turned as a mama frog, it will again lays the eggs. It will again lays the eggs. So again, the egg will turn into the tadpole. After tadpole, it will change into froglet. After froglet, adult frog. Then again eggs. Like this cycle will continue. If the word cycle is there presented in the sentence, then it is a continuing process. It is continuing process. It will go on. It will happen. Okay, it's a cyclic process.
Excuse me.
Children, what is the first stage of the frog? What is the first stage of the frog?
Egg.
Egg. What is the second stage of the frog? What is the second stage of the frog? Only tail will be there. What is that stage? Tadpole. Very good. Tadpole. The third stage is what? Third stage. Both hands, legs, and tail will be there. What is the third stage? Froglet. It is a
Froglet.
froglet. It is. And what is the last stage? What is the fourth stage?
Fourth frog.
What it is? Come on, everybody. Frog, adult frog or mama frog. Mama frog's name is adult frog. Adult frog. Okay?
Excuse me.
We will start now. Today I want Nithwin to repeat after me. Come on, Nithwin. All of you stand up.
Stand up.
Kids anthem. Come on, come to the position. Your right hand over your left chest. Kids anthem. Repeat, dear. Kids anthem. Others be on mute. Nithwin திருப்பி சொல்லுங்க.
நித்வின் திருப்பி சொல்லுங்க. மேம் என்ன சொல்றாங்க?
You are within me.
What me? Finite.
You are infinite.
Ma'am,
Finite.
You are unique.
You are unique, ma'am.
You are unique.
You are unique. My potential inside.
Potential inside.
You are the wings.
Things.
You are then சொல்றாங்கல்ல மேம்.
Beneath my flight.
Flight.
Beneath my flight.
Beneath my flight.
You define me.
You define me சொல்றாங்கல்ல.
What's my me?
My potential inside. My potential inside.
மேம் உன்னையா பார்க்கறேன்.
Protection side.
என்னை பாருங்க, நான் என்ன சொல்றேன் அதை மட்டும் திருப்பி சொல்லுங்க. Come on, என்னை பாருங்க. Today I pledge.
மேம் பார்க்கறேன்.
Today I pledge.
Today I pledge சொல்றாங்க.
I pledge.
வாயை
With
தொட்டு
all my might. Yes.
All my
I shall achieve you.
I shall achieve you.
My potential inside.
My potential side.
Yes. Good morning, all of you children. So yes, now go to mute. Warm up, children. Relax, children. Drink a glass of water and relax yourselves. Ready for attendance. Be ready for attendance. Answer for your attendance, children. Sai Shivanya.
Here I am, ma'am.
Santosh. Pranav.
Hello, ma'am.
Arya. Sai Priyan. Sai Priyan.
Here
I am, ma'am.
Manasa.
Here I am, Rashita, ma'am.
Yes. Jacinta.
Here I am, ma'am.
Jacinta. Yes. Prisha.
Ma'am.
Seshan. Nitashri.
Here.
Nitashri. Nidhulan.
Yes, Rashita ma'am.
Rutvik. Nithwin.
Erase.
Yeah, ma'am.
Going to quiet?
Yes, ma'am.
Evangeline.
Unta sola.
Haripriya. Okay, dear. Haripriya.
Yes, ma'am.
Here I am.
Here
Here I
I
am, ma'am. Okay.
am.
Okay, dear. An information that announcement that any one of you has to do the speech on Vijayadashami celebration. Who is going to do it? Who is willing to do it? Can raise your hand or name yourself out. So Manasa is already participating in some other things now. That is why I cannot consider her. So is there anybody who's willing to do the speech on Vijayadashami?
Now Nidhulan will speak.
Yes? Nidhulan?
Yes.
Nidhulan will do the speech. Ready, Nidhulan? Inan sollunu enakku. Okay, dear. Sure. Super. I didn't expect. Very good. So Nidhulan will do the speech on Vijayadashami about what is Vijayadashami, what are the celebration, what are the 9-day celebration is going to take place. So others, those who want to participate in any of the activities or performance, please name yourselves. Okay, privately to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I will note your names down for the celebration. Hope you all have gone through the talk time schedule. Is there anybody who is not comfortable with the timing or the date? I think no. Okay. Then we will start, children. Everybody, we will start it. We will start with W and X recap. Children, take your slates and pencil.
I'll practice it.
Touch that, no? Slates and pencil. What are you all gonna do is you're going to write W and X in it.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you hear us?
W. Yes?
Yeah, Hiteshri will also participate in
Yes,
this.
I can't hear you.
Yes, Hiteshri will also
She
participate
is participating in what?
in the speech, ma'am.
In speech?
Yes.
Okay. Hiteshi, no problem. You can do it. Okay? So yes,
okay.
name yourselves privately to me, okay? Those who are participating.
Okay.
So yes, take your slates, children. Slates and the pencils or the chalk piece, whatever you have. So we are going to write W and X in it. So 4 lines. W and X. So write both the letters in the middle 2 lines. Okay, second and third line. So how will you write W? One slanting line. Come up, come back to the second line again. Again put a slanting line. Again come back. This is our small letter W. Small letter W. And next is letter X. Cross. One slanting line, right slanting line and one left slanting line. Both the slanting lines should cut each other like this to form a cross. W and X. W and X. Write it. You have to write the letter by touching the lines. It should not go out of the line, or else it should not not touching the line. You have to correctly touch the line and write it. Very good, Nithwin. Super. I want all our friends, other friends also to complete here. Wait. W and finish. Very good, Jacinta. W and X.
I'm done, ma'am.
Very good, Hiteshi. Very good, Manasa. So have you all completed writing it? Very good, Sai Shivanya. Very good. Sorry. Shishant, very good. Nidulan, very good. Okay. I think we can start writing in the worksheet. Okay, now. Take your workbook, children. Worksheet number D71 LT. D71 LT. Ready? So first trace the letters, then we'll match it. Okay, W, X. That is, you're going to write it over the dotted lines. W, X. W, X. Write it clearly. W, X. W, X. So have you all completed writing, children? So which one will come? W for strawberry or W for watermelon? Which one is correct?
Watermelon there. Watermelon.
Watermelon. W for watermelon. A small tick near to it. Later as a homework, color it. Okay. Next. X for sun or X for X-ray. Which one is correct?
X-ray.
X-ray. We have a song, right? Take an X-ray. Yes. A small tick near to it. Later you can color it. So next, W for wolf or W for axe. Which one is correct? Which one is correct, dear? W for wolf or W for axe?
Wolf. Wolf.
Wolf. W for wolf. See, look at the starting sign. W sound is what? Wow, one, right? Look at wolf's beginning sound. Wolf. Wolf. The same sound, right? So you can put it near to wolf. Later you can color the wolf. So next, last one. X for table or X for Xmas tree. Which one is correct? X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Very good. Yes. So once finished, please fill the name and date. Today's date is, children, 8 dot 10 dot 2021. H dot 10 dot 2021. Finished. Very good. Very good, Pranav.
28.
Completed, ma'am.
Very good, Srishant.
Finished, ma'am.
10.
Finished. Very good, Sai Priyan. Very good, Pranav. Very good, Sai Shivanya. You colored too. Very good, Sai Shivanya.
Finished, ma'am.
Finished. Very good, Manasa.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Jacinta. Yeah, Pranav, it's the third time you're telling that you're finished. Yes, Nidulan, have you finished?
Class monitor.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Hari Priya, have you finished, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Hiteshri, I see that you are still writing, dear. Is it? Done. So yes, now we'll recap the prepositions, children. You have to answer me properly. I'll call out your name. You have to tell it
Okay.
properly. See, I have my phone and I have a book. Okay, you're going to tell the position of my phone. So now, where is my phone, Prisha? Where is it?
Phone is on the book.
Huh?
Phone is on the book.
Very good. Phone is on the book. So Nidulan, where is it now?
Under.
Louder.
Under.
Yes, very good. The phone is under my book, right? So where is it now? Whom shall I ask? Jacinta, where is it now?
சொல்லுங்க.
In front of my book. Very good. Nithvin, now where is it?
Above.
Huh?
Above.
Above. Very good. The phone is above my book, right? My phone is above my book. Now, Haripriya, where is it? Haripriya, where is it? Huh? Where is my phone now? Below my book. Yes, the phone is below my book. So now I keep it inside my book. Now where is my book? Sorry, now where is my phone? In the phone, in the book. My phone is in the book. Now my phone is in the book. Okay, children? So hope you remember it, right? Yesterday itself you people forgot it. So only I'm recapping it again. So my phone is now on the book. Now my phone is under the book. It is touching each other, right? So now my phone is under the book. Here it is in front of my book. Look at it. It is in front of my book, right? Now I'm keeping here. There's a gap in between my book and the phone. And the phone is up, right? So then it is above. Above. The phone is above my book. Now same way here. So this is, and the gap is again here. It is not under. It is below. Below my book. Okay, children? Yes. So next, we have to learn opposites. Opposites. What do you mean by opposite, children? Opposite na enna? Any one of you can answer according to your understanding. Opposite na enna da? Already nama padichirukkom nenikiren. Initial of the classes. Opposite na enna? Completely, it will be completely different to the context. Okay, completely different. Okay, நம்ம இப்போ ஒன்னு சொல்றோம்னா அதுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டா சொல்றது in the sense it will be completely different. இப்போ upனா down. Up means down. Opposite of up is down. Opposite of right means left. Right, left. Above, below. Above, below. Big, small. Big, small. The small is opposite to big. Big na persa irukum. Big oda opposite is small. That is chinnada irukum. Tall, tall and short. Tall and short. Tall na tall irpanga. Will be height. Tall and short. Short na kuttaya irpanga. Okay, so these are the opposite words. That is, the context will be completely different. Appadiye tapmari irukum. Konjam kuda there will not be any relativity. Completely unrelated ah irukum. That is different to the context. They are opposites. For example, I will be sharing you a worksheet. Try answering for it. Okay, worksheet number D71MT. 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 So can you see 2 trees here? One is short and another one is tall. Can you see here in the page? T71 empty worksheet. See, look at here. This tree is short. Then what is the opposite of it? Opposite. Short's opposite is tall. Tall. So which tree is tall here? This tree is tall and this tree is short. Opposite to it. Opposite to each other. Okay. Now next one. So one snail is there and one jar is there. Right, children? Second one, have a look at here. So we have matched short with tall. Now this one. Have a look at here. A snail and a jar. In this picture, the snail is outside to the jar. Outside to the jar. So what could be the opposite of it? Outside, the opposite could be what? Try answering. Huh? Inside. Perfect. So opposite, the opposite word of outside is inside. Here the snail is outside to this jar and here the snail is inside the jar. Match this two. Match this two. Okay. And a boy is playing in a slide. So here in this picture he is up. He's up, right? So which is the opposite of it? What is the word opposite to up? Up. Down. Down. So this is the down. Okay, down. So match this in this way. Once finished, fill your date and name. I'll do recap of these words again. First complete this, then we will do this. And very good. Finish, very good. 8 dot, sorry. 8 dot, 10 dot, 20, 21. Finish, very good. So children, what is the opposite word to tall? Tall, short. Tall, short. Repeat it. Tall, short. Come on, dears. Tall. The opposite word to tall is short. Opposite word to tall is short. The opposite word for outside is inside. Outside, inside. Outside, inside. And the opposite word for up is down. Up, down. Up, down. What is the opposite word for tall? Come on, answer me now. What is the opposite word for tall? Tall. Come on. Tall. Short. Short. Very good. It's short. Tall. Short. Okay. What is the opposite word for big? Big. Small. Very good. Small. What is the opposite word for up? Up. Down. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. So what is the opposite word for outside? Outside. Inside. Outside. Inside. Okay. Outside. The opposite word for outside is inside. Okay, children? Deal. Do you have any doubt in this? You got it, children? What is opposite? Yes? It will be completely different. Okay? The opposite word will be completely different. There will not be any relativity. Or completely unrelated. Context is different. That is opposite. Opposite. Okay, big na small, tall na short, up na down. Okay, these are the opposite words. Okay, dears. So now, are you all ready with your materials, children? I had asked yesterday, a paper and a coin and your color pencils, that is crayons. Are you all ready? Yes? I'll tell you what to do.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is the power is off?
Power off. Nada? I can see you, dear. Yes. Now, take a paper, plain paper, draw 2 apples in it. Only the outlines first. Don't color it. Only the outlines of apple. 2 apples I want. 2 apples. 2 apples. You know, right, how to draw it? 2 apples. It's okay if you draw it in a medium size. Not so big a one. Draw 2 apples. You draw it, children. You draw it. Freehand drawing first. Then we will color it with the help of coin. Two apples. Have you drawn? Yes. Super. Very good, Nithin. Wait for our friends. So, Sashwini, have you completed drawing the apple, dear? Medium-sized apples. Yes, done. Who all have completed it? Yes, very good, Manasa. So yes, very good, Sai Shivanya. So what is the color of apple, children? What is the color of apple? What is the color of apple? Red. So everybody take red color crayon now. Red color crayon. Take the red color crayon. And color only 1 apple. Only 1 apple for now. Color it normally, only 1 apple. Another apple, you're going to color it with the help of a coin. First color 1 apple, only 1 apple with red color. So once done, let me know. Okay, children? Color only 1 apple with red color, normally. Yes, Sai Priyan, have you completed?
Capital, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Wait for our friends. Okay, let all come. Then we will color the next apple.
Okay, ma'am.
Finished? Finished, all of you?
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Srishant. Now, yes, super. For the second apple, see if this is the paper, keep the coin under it like this and then color it over here, over the coin. With the same crayon, keep the coin under the paper like this, beneath the paper like this. Okay, and color it over it. So you have to place the coin right correctly under the second apple. And then color it over that. The red crayon. Yes, very good. And parents, please help them. So now is it such easy to color, children? Like how you colored for the apple one? Is it such easy? Yes, very good. Sai Shivanya, was that easy coloring the second apple like apple one? Easy and the chada. How do you feel? Touch both the apples and feel it. Touch both the apples and feel it.
రెండు
Apple
ఆపిల్
number 2 will be little rougher.
ఇది దొడ్డు బర్ర. How do you feel now? Little bit hard.
Hard,
Yeah.
yes, very good, super. That is what we are going to learn from it. We are going to feel from it. Sensory time it is. Sensory, you have to feel it. Once coloring is done, touch both the apple and feel it. How the coloring is, how the texture is different. Both the paper. Both the apples. So yes, Jacinta, have you finished? Yes, very good, Manasa. Touch and feel it, dear. Very good, Netherlands. Touch and feel it. All of you once completed coloring with the help of coin, touch and feel it. You can feel the difference of texture among two apples. One could be soft, one could be little rougher. That is hard, bit harder. Yes, super. Very good. Haripriya, very good, dear. Touch it and feel it. How is the apple one feeling makes you feel, children? How is the apple one makes you feel? Is it softer or harder? It's a bit softer only, no? So how the apple 2 makes you feel? Little harder or little rougher, right? Roughly it is making you sense. So yes, this is the sensory time today we learned. Okay? You have to touch and feel it. How both the apples makes you feel. Sense it. Sense it. Yes, perfect. Rougher and softer. Very good. Very good. So I think all of you have finished it. Shall we keep all these things aside? Materials? Super. Very good, Hitaishri. Is there anybody still continuing? Yes, very good, Sishan. Pranav, have you finished? So, okay, children, I think you all have finished it. Next, I'm going to introduce a new topic. NCT concept term. Yes, yes, Pranav.
கூப்பிடுறாங்க.
Have you finished?
கூப்பிடுறாங்க. Finishes இல்ல.
Very good. So listen, a new concept. We are going to see elaborately about this in the next class, but still I'm going to give an introduction about the topic. Extinct animals. Extinct animals. Extinct animals means என்ன தெரியுமா? ரொம்ப காலம் முன்னாடி, long ago, there were some animals. Those animals are not alive now.
என்ன சொல்றாங்க?
Not alive now. அழிஞ்சிடுச்சு. அந்த animals எல்லாம் அழிஞ்சிடுச்சு. Dinosaurs. Do you all like dinosaurs? See, is the dinosaurs alive here now? Dinosaurs alive now?
No man's.
It's not alive. It's no more. It's died. All the family of dinosaurs had died long ago itself. So extinct animals means such type of animals which have died long ago itself. There is no trace of such animals. Okay, today the first animal we are going to learn about is dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. Okay, dinosaurs is a extinct animal which lived a long ago. Dinosaurs will be how big, you know, children? Such a big animal you would have seen in the films, right? Movies. Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. Like 10 or 12 elephants. No. So those animals have died. No dinosaurs. Not even single dinosaur is alive now. No dinosaurs. All the dinosaurs had died so long ago due to a natural disaster. Natural disaster. ஏதோ ஆயிடுச்சு அப்ப ரொம்ப நாள் முன்னாடி ஏதோ ஒரு natural disaster like raining or a hurricane like storm, something has happened. All the dinosaurs, all the family of dinosaurs has died. No dinosaurs are alive. Dinosaur is an extinct animal. Extinct animal. Like how frog is an amphibian and the crocodile is a reptile, dinosaurs is a extinct animal. Okay, dinosaurs is a extinct animal. There are so many animals like this. We'll get to know one by one in the next classes. Today learn about dinosaurs. Okay, dinosaur is a extinct animal. Extinct animal which has died long ago. There is no spices of dinosaurs. Only the bones of dinosaurs is only there. No dinosaurs alive here in the world now. So we are going to draw a dinosaur now. Are you all excited? We are going to draw a dinosaur. How you know? By connecting the points which numbered in your worksheet. Take the worksheet. Worksheet number D71 CT. D71 CT. So here, look at here, children. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers have given. No, you are going to connect those numbers by putting a line to it. See, 1 after 2 after 3. Connect the numbers, dots with a line. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 and 17 have already connected. Don't put a line in between it. Come to 17 now. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So again, there is a line between 22 to somewhere. So from there, connect to 23. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So again, there is a line. So 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. I've connected. Finally, a dinosaur has come. Ooh, it's an extinct animal. Dinosaur is an extinct animal. Extinct. Fill the name and date, children. Once finished connecting it. 8 dot 10 dot 2021. Dinosaurs is an extinct animal. So for the next 3 or 4 days, we are going to learn about extinct animals. Dinosaur is one of the extinct animal which has died long, long ago. There is no more dinosaurs. There is no dinosaur in this world now. Okay, it's a dinosaur. So have you all completed connecting it? Once completed connecting it, color it as homework, children. Have you all finished?
Yes, Mom.
Yes. So finally, let's do the recap of rhymes and then we'll wind up, children. Come on, everybody. Once done with connecting, have a look at here. Don't color it now. Okay, later you can color. Okay. Come on, over rhymes. You people sing in your word, I will sing here. Where has my little dog gone? Oh, where can he be? With his ears so short and its tail so long. Oh, where can he be? One more time. Oh, where has my little dog gone? Oh, where can he be? With its ears so short and its tail so long. Oh, where can he be? One last time. Come on, everybody. I want everybody to do the action. Oh, where has my little dog gone? Oh, where can he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Oh, where can he be? He's searching for its dog. Okay, he's searching for his dog. Okay, children. So by the next class, all of you are going to sing this rhyme. Be prepared, okay? So that's it. The next 2 days is going to be the holiday, children. Be prepared for your talk time. Okay, we'll see you all by Monday. Have a nice holiday. Bye. 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 Bye.